Welcome back everyone, and Nintendo released about 2 months ago a lot of new wireless controllers with Pokemon on them, and this is the Pikachu one. Found this at Target about 3 weeks ago for $40, which was awesome. I thought it was going to be a lot more, because GameStop I think at one point had it for $49.99, but they haven't had any in a while. eBay's got them for a little bit more. Depending when this video hits, you might see them at $70, $80, or maybe they've come down. But it's completely wireless, and it works with your Switch Lite as well. So you don't need the full-size Switch to use a controller. And I'll show you why you should actually have a wireless controller, because we're going to compare it to the Joy-Cons. But let's just take a look at it, this is a beautiful controller. I was meaning to actually open this a while ago, but I forgot, so I figured let's do a video so you guys can actually see it. It's actually really cool. And actually I can't wait to use it, but we're also going to compare it to... I was actually looking for the wired control that I got back in, I would say back in February, or was it... Actually no, it was whenever I got the Mario Edition Nintendo Switch that is red. And they gave me a wired controller for free. Oh, there it is. Okay, so it comes with a very long USB cable. That's actually really nice. Nice little instruction manual there. Let's see. Wow. Controller is really good quality, actually. Oh, I got a little thing there. This is actually a really nice controller. I wonder what that is for. Yeah, I guess it's a power A. So really cool. Now let's actually compare it to the Joy-Cons. Obviously, these are the Joy-Cons completely put together. See, just like that. And the feeling is, let's see, like, look where you are. So now my Switch is turned on because it's right by the TV. But this is actually more kind of in the same spots, I would say, right? Almost. Yeah. But this actually just has more grip and feeling, which is nice. I don't know what these buttons are for down there, but it's pretty cool. So we're going to try this out, and then when I find the wired one that I have that I got free, we're going to compare them and everything and see how they do. But this is the Pikachu one, and it's beautiful. Feels great, everything. So let's charge it up and go from there. Alright guys, let me know what you think, and let me know if you have any suggestions or anything you want me to open. Like I said, we're doing a lot more tech stuff, and we're going to be doing a lot more crypto. Alright guys, enjoy your day. Have fun.